Hey Sanath.
Hi.
Hey man, good morning, good morning. How are you doing?
Yeah, good morning. Need to achieve all my goals
Okay,
tomorrow.
wait. Okay, few quick things. Look at the camera nicely, okay? Second thing, when you talk, be confident and loud in your voice, okay? So look at the camera properly and talk loudly the way I am talking right now. So it's very audible, I think so. Okay. So that's what these are the practices now when you have to work over. That's what we are doing. We want you to take care of your stuff so that you can actually present it more nicely, talk to people, and in life, this is very important phase. Okay. Tell something. Yes. Confident and loud. Okay. Confident and loud, Sanath.
So,
Yeah. I don't set heavy kind of targets. अरे camera चला गया. Hey Sanath. It's okay. It happens. It happens. That's why we are all there for each other, right? So don't worry about that. So give us a quick intro about yourself, Sanath, what you are. A quick intro about yourself so that everybody knows you better.
yeah, as you all know, my name I am Sanath, and currently I am
Loud and
working.
clear, Sanath. Yes, loud and clear, please, buddy.
And currently, I'm working as a software developer in Technics Integration. It's in Hyderabad. And just before some days, I have resigned because my project is got cancelled, and that's why I have to resign. And now I am upgrading my technologies and attending on telephonic and Skype round interviews from here itself, and simultaneously I'm
Okay,
upgrading my
okay.
technologies.
Okay, so like total how many years of experience you're having?
Almost 2 years. It's 1.10 years.
Okay, 1 year, 10 months. Okay, that's good. That's good. I keep upgrading. I think very shortly. Let's see. Yesterday, very shortly, I think things would start becoming better. Let's see if not back to the very normal state, but it might just happen. Hope for the positive. Let's see how the cases and all that go. But yes, whatever the market happens, knowledge is everything. And so let's get started. Okay. One important thing is when we are waking up early in the morning, right? So this practice, whatever we do, 5:30, 6:30. So your worries are still sleeping. Okay. You wake up pleasant, fresh. And when you utilize this morning 2 3 hours in the best possible way, and then you visit your same life again, that's fine. But you would get more energy to solve the problems. That's what is the thing. Okay. So when you wake up, don't carry again your same problems, the burdens of yesterday again with you. Don't do that. Start fresh. It's okay. Whatever happens, that life is still sleeping. Generally, you would have woke up at 7. That's fine. Right now, you're still sleeping. But a better version of you is working on yourself. So that's really good. So now,
That's what
Sanath,
I'm feeling
okay.
some days.
What?
That's what I'm feeling from some days that now I'm a better version from my old one.
Yeah, seriously. You're feeling that. Good. That's very good. Feel confident about yourself. Because daily, guys, consistency is not easy. Let me tell you, what we are doing, it's not easy. It's and it cannot be purchased, guys. You have to put in efforts daily, then only it has results. So very good stuff. If you're feeling the change in that, and despite whatever situation you're feeling confident, like okay, getting the pumped up to upgrade your knowledge, to stay in the zone, that is really good. Okay, really good, guys. So now, chalo, Sanath, let's get started. So what do we do? It's a step-by-step process. You have to be confident. You have to be loud. Okay? Yes, because that's what. Once you do it, next time onwards, it will start becoming better. Okay, that's how it works. Simple stuff. I faced it in my early days, and that's where after that I improved a lot. So, but first time is always a journey. Okay. First time is always a journey. Now let's get started. Let's get started with what we do on a daily basis. Okay. Whew. Chalo, Sanath, the step number one, what do we do first? We tell to ourselves that it is possible for me. That's what we do. Okay, so now I want you to put your hand on your heart and be confident and loud. Speak it out. Come on.
Yes, guys,
Come on.
let's
Let's
start.
start.
Let's get started. And let's start from our heart only. Put your right arm on your heart and just repeat with me. I am motivated.
Come on. You don't have a way to place your phone somewhere, Sanath? Sanath, you're catching it in hand. It is going to. Put it somewhere nicely so that we can see you. Don't move it so much. Okay, that's better, man. Come on. These are the basic. Now we can see you very nice and clear. Good stuff. Okay, Sanat. So, what's the first thing we are supposed to do? Yeah, please walk us through that.
Okay, let's start from our heart and just keep your right arm on your heart and just repeat with me. I am motivated.
Mm-hmm.
I am powerful. I have all that I need. I have all that in order to achieve my goals. I am healthy. I am honest. I am wise. I am worthy. I focus on the good things in every situation I have.
Good,
I,
good, good.
I trust myself to create an amazing life. I can do everything in order to achieve all my goals, and I will achieve all my goals.
More. Now, attach more feel to it. Be more louder. Me more louder. We need to hear a bigger version of you. I am achieving all my goals. Loud and clear, Sanat.
Yes, I am achieving all my goals.
Again, I am achieving all my goals. Weightage in every word. Power. Once
I am
more.
achieving all my goals, and
One more louder. Once more louder, Sanat.
I am achieving all my goals.
Can you shout, Sanat, please? Louder, buddy. Come on. Chalo, aja. Once more. I am. Look at me, the way I speak. It's different, right? The way you are sounding is different. There is difference in just confidence, nothing else. Believe in yourself one more time, one last time, and then we'll get started to the next journey. Okay, Sanat?
I
Okay,
am
once
achieving
more.
all, I am achieving all my goals,
Okay, yes, you are. You're using your everyday in a best possible way. Good stuff. Yes. Okay.
and I am the best, and I can do everything whatever I want to be.
Yes, these are beliefs. You have to install it every day in yourself and you have to feel it and believe it. Okay, don't just say it, feel it. I am the best. I am the best. Okay, very good, very good. Yes. And what are we doing right now? We are in the journey of goal achievement. This is really great, right? Yeah, it's been like our fifth day into this 21-day journey. And before that, we have completed 7 days already. So we guys have really become consistent in what we do. This is some real thing, right, Sanat?
Yes, let me tell you one thing. Firstly, before this, I didn't believe in these things like maybe it will work or not work. So, after attending 2 sessions, I thought let's try for myself if it will work. Then I tried for the first day and then second day. Then now I am feeling that I am changing myself, and now it's a better version than my old one. I'm feeling great,
Hey,
and
that's really good.
I'm doing all the things to achieve all my goals, and uh, I'm just not wasting much more time, and I'm utilizing my time in a proper way to achieve my goals.
That's the spirit, man. Nice stuff, nice stuff. So now that is life changing, and you are taking responsibility, and that's where it's happening. Now let's get started with the goal achievement exercise. Visualization daily is very important. So, what is our first thing we do, Sanat? Yes.
Uh, let's start from our personal goals, and
Uh huh.
just open your note and just put your finger and roll through it. What are your personal goals, and just feel it.
Okay, Sanat will feel it. Thank you. Yeah, we'll feel it. We'll feel it. You have done your work. You have said it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. So personal goals. Okay. Fine. So yes, the personal goals, whatever goals you have in your personal area. Yes. So if we have already written that down, 1 yearly goals right there in front of us right now. Okay. And these goals are big. Your dreams are big. And only when you apply your present day in order to achieve and move forward every single day is where you will become great in life and you will achieve all your goals. Okay. So now comes the which part? Visualization part, right, Sanat?
You have to visualize. Yes.
Yeah. So what exactly is visualization, Sanat? What do we do?
So, what are our dreams? We need to visualize that we all already achieved those goals, and uh, we are in a situation where we have all those goals we achieved, and that
Yes.
we have to
Yes.
visualize.
Yes, yes. So that's really good. Like you have to already imagine that whatever your goals are, you have actually achieved in present. Okay. And why we are doing that, guys, if you don't know the theory behind it, it is to fool your subconscious mind. Okay. Right now,
So
the
I have read
subconscious
an
mind, when
article. I have read an
what?
article. It is proven in psychology. Uh,
Uh-huh.
that there is also a rule is 55 into 5, and that is what if
Okay, what is that?
we have to write our goals 55 times in a day continuously for 5 days, and then we need to for one day I have we wrote we wrote our goals for 55 times, then we have to forget that, and we have to work our daily basis. And then after 5 days, it will automatically take almost 1 month, and then we will automatically work on our goals. And it is proven in psychology. There is a rule.
Mm-hmm. Yes, guys, these techniques work. So that's why do some R&D, do some research. Like I was not aware of it, like 55 into 5, but I think there are a lot of successful people who have derived a lot of strategies, okay? And many of these things would work. So imagine that these things are happening right now. Right
Yes, that's
now.
what
Yes.
I'm targeting all the product-based MNC companies, because I the main goal of my life is to work in a product-based company like Amazon or Flipkart
Mm-hmm.
or Microsoft. So I'm preparing,
Good.
and I'm data structure is needed for those companies, right? So data structure
Mhm.
also I'm getting knowledge in data
That's
structure.
good. That's good. Dekho guys, one of a big eye opener right here. Once you know what your goal is, then your brain will automatically start figuring out how to get there and what you're doing right
Yes,
now.
what
Okay,
do I
which
have to
companies
do?
you want to go. Mm-hmm.
Yes, what do I have to do to achieve that? And uh, uh, we are in a situation that we know everything, that if we want to achieve it, then what we have to do, uh, and we can
Yes.
plan accordingly. But what happens is every time we plan, but then we are not consistent on those. So we do it for some days, then we forget about all those, and then the same thing repeatedly. So it is what it will develop our subconscious mind, and it will take us through it.
Very good, Sanat. Yes, whatever you are saying, every word is true. Every word is true, and that's the reason where I thought, ki, let's do it like a community for a long time till people consume it. If this is a
But
one day work, like nobody will
when we
change.
set
Yeah.
goals, we walk through our conscious mind. That is, uh, uh, we don't take interest in those things. Uh, like what we are doing to achieve our goals, we don't take interest in those. But we are thinking just we have to do it, no other ways. But once you feel it, and you will go through it, and when you put your interest on it, then the subconscious mind and conscious mind will work together, and now then, and at that time you will become unstoppable. That's the thing, I think.
Super, super, Sanat. Had you been in front of me, I would have hugged you, man. क्या बोल रहा है यार, guys? This is awesome stuff, Sanat. Yes, yes, perfect, man. This is what is the reality of life, and you are believing in all these things. That's what is the most beautiful part, and you will have it all, Sanat. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Really appreciate the way you think. Really, it's big, and that's one of a sign that you would really achieve and get successful in life because now you are uncovering the true nature of things. Let's quickly move on to the next one: the adventure, the luxury goals, the fun goals. Feel the nature, feel the birds, feel the pleasant breeze, feel the water, feel the sky. Everything is so pure, guys. Breathe, breathe freely. Have fun to life.
let me tell you one thing. So, actually, my first trip plan is for Goa, but still now I have not achieved it with my friends. And just before just in these 2 minutes, I have imagined that I am uh, I am with my friends in Goa, and then suddenly I moved to Australia in the forest, and I was having so much fun with my friends, because I love forest and I love animals, and so and it was a great feeling. And so if we are feeling like this now, so to achieve this, what we have to do, and we will what we have to do, we will work on it. And because it feels good, right, when we're thinking that
Keep talking, keep talking. Yeah, you're good, you're good. Imagination, yes, and you're enjoying every bit of it. You're like without visa, you're traveling to Australia. Sanat, you need to be careful, huh? Yeah, but that's the power of your imagination. You can feel whatever you want, okay? Don't wait for external situations to make you happy, guys. It's your imagination, it's your thoughts which you can feel happiness from inside. So in the 2 minutes which he's saying that he visited different places, you have that power. Human beings have that power. It's up to you. Your thoughts can make you crippled, feel bad about yourself. At the same time, your thoughts can give you life as well. Okay, do that. Keep doing this. You would actually feel so alive. The contribution goes, the giving back goes. And Sanat, I want to know more of this from you. Like, because I think you are sharing some really valuable insights, guys. I think this guy is
yes,
going to do something
actually,
in life.
yes, there are some juniors like my from my college, and they are with me when I was in Hyderabad. They are with me, and daily they are coming to me to know subject or to what is happening in IT industry. The knowledge I have, and I always share with them. And if they have some doubts in technical knowledge, like in course about their attending classes, and I always share with them, and I always whatever I have, I always give them.
That's a sign of a very big man.
So
Okay.
yesterday also I talked to two of them, and I asked to attend the 10th session, the 10
Arey,
meetings.
super. Yeah, lovely. ये बंदा है. Sanat is going to change things for me. Good stuff. Good stuff. Invite people, man, because the world needs to really know these things. They need to really understand. Okay. So you're already contributing your bit. Yes, all the people who follow you, who respect you, who know you, you're already showing them the life. Very good. You have been into the industry for 2 years. You're sharing all your knowledge. And guys, let me tell you, don't hold yourself back. Okay, whatever you know, try to give it all. And that's what I am trying to do, because everybody's life journey is different. Okay, we are all in the common journey in our own lives, and everybody is going to have a different track, guys. We will be getting
Yesterday
way
I
bigger.
talked to them. They are feeling much pressure. They are thinking that we cannot get what we want to achieve, and it is very tough, and they are feeling so much pressure. So I told them that it is nothing. You just have to believe in yourself, and upgrade your technical knowledge, and everything will happen automatically.
Yes, yes. The do the basics right. Basically, that's what it is. Yeah. Focus on the basics. If you know that you're upgrading your knowledge, if you know that daily basis you're growing one step closer, then don't worry about okay, by when it will happen. Automatically, you will change. Daily progress is important. Be it small progress, daily progress. Yes, very important stuff. So, Sanat, you're sharing some really, you're changing lives basically. If they are right now not believing in themselves and you are affecting them, you are making them realize whatever they do in life, you are the starting point of that. And that means a big of a deal. They will always remember you like, okay, Sanat was the person who changed my life around. And they will really become something once they know it. Yeah?
And, yeah, and for me, this is you. You have
अरे
changed
सा
many hearts.
ठीक है अभी मैं बंद कर रहा हूँ सनत तू बहुत नाटक कर रहा है good stuff guys, good stuff. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. There is always somebody to do it for everybody. Okay, so I have had my own mentors. There are a lot of people like Yeah, I closely work with Natraj sir, so he has been one of a very close mentor that I work with, and
Yeah,
a very powerful man,
I
a very
first
good
seen you
man.
in Netrasar's class. You all three, your friends, you all three came in there, and you shared with us some great stops. And from that moment only, I'm following you in Facebook and
अरे
uh,
super. सही है keep doing it Sanat, keep doing it, because all this is just knowledge, okay? No matter from where it gets or who gives it to you, this is all valuable knowledge. Everybody sharing their experience, okay? So consume, and then define your own life journey. Okay, fine. So let's quickly move on. The time right now is 7:15. In like next 5 minutes, we'll be taking out through it. It was great time. Earlier, I thought like Sanat is not going to contribute, but he has contributed more than me in this session. Now I'm feeling complex in this actually. Giving back, very important. The fourth pillar of life. How do you contribute back to the society? Very important factor.
the nature giving us everything, so we have to give back something to society or nature. And
Yes,
the
yes.
same thing will return society to us, because if we give some good stuffs to society, then it will return the same thing, good stuffs only. If we say give some bad things, then it will in return it will return some bad things.
Yes. There is a circle of life, guys. People say that whatever you want to attract in life, you give back the same things. And this is what Sanat is saying. Good stuff, Sanat. ठीक है, Sanat, from tomorrow onwards, you take these sessions. ठीक है, I am done then. My role is done. Good.